Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today I'm gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins and gems on PKXD app without paying anything.
And always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type iUp.vip.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. Heart waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you
Congratulations! Now you get unlimited free coins and gems on your PKXD account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun guys! Good luck and I see you in the next video. Bye!